Yevamot Perek Yud Mishnah Zayin. Yevamot, 10th chapter, 7th Mishnah. בין 9 שנים ויום אחד שבא על יבמתו, and 9 years old and 1 day that came on his yevama. Had relationship. It's not talking about mamar, not kiddushim. Had relationship with her. So we say the rabbis gave him power to actually buy her. But it's bebia, yeah. But it says it's not the same power as an adult, but we gave him power.
Because his older brother can mutzi.
Let's say that even if he doesn't have older brother.
No, I'm saying as a general, if he has an older brother.
Yeah, if he has an older brother, that buys 100%.
Yeah.
This buys, we're gonna give him some power. It's not, but he doesn't buy as strong. He doesn't buy as strong as a. So he came on his יבמה, ואחר כך בא עליה אחיו, שהוא בן 9 שנים ויום אחד. And then came his brother, and his brother is also only below 13. Same age, 9 days and 1 day. So now, what are you going to do now? Because the first one was not 100%, the second one is not 100%, so what do? Yeah? פסל על ידו, אסר השני. So in other words, if the first one was 100%, it caught. The second one didn't do anything. Because I'm already married, you can't do nothing. But over here, he doesn't have full 100% power to catch. So the
he's the same, he's equal to him actually.
Pasal means now he needs to give a get.
To give her a get?
Yeah, pasal, it means she's not allowed to. You cannot marry her. In other words, your marriage is not a marriage. That's what it tells him. פסל השני את היבמה על הראשון. The second one tells the first one, you can get divorced with your wife. Because I also did what you did. And you were never married to her 100%. And what I did with her now...
Now I'm the one.
No, I'm not the one either. Not you, not me. But I was able to take you out of the equation. Before that, I was only out of the equation. Now you're out of the equation. שביעת בן 9 עשו החכמים כמאמר של גדול. Because the sages said, if you have a relationship with the we're going to give it as if it has the power. כמאמר of the גדול. והרי זה כמאמר אחר מאמר. And it looks like we have a מאמר after מאמר. So therefore, both of us are gone. ששניהם תופסים בה. That both of us can catch, but nobody can catch. Okay. Rabbi Shimon says, לא פסל. He doesn't do anything to the first one. What's the logic of Rabbi Shimon's? בגמרא מבואר טעמו של רבי שמעון. The Gemara explains the reasoning of Rabbi Shimon. שלדעתו, according to his opinion, ביעת בן 9 ספק קונה ספק אינו קונה. So it says, look, Rabbi Shimon says, look, you're saying that the first guy says, Bi'ah of 9 years old, what does he do? It is half a catch. It's like a 50-50. I'm also saying it's a 50-50. But if it's a 50 for sure or a 50 for sure? What does it mean 50 for sure? 50? I know he's either married or not married. That kind of 50-50. The first guy didn't say that kind of 50-50. He said, the whole relationship, it doesn't have the strength, but not, it's 50-50 relationship. He says, no, he's either married or not married. We just don't know if he's married or not married. So now it comes out differently. How? בגמרא, קונה ספק אינו קונה. אם קונה, if you're going to tell me that his bia buys, הרי הקנאה הראשון בביאתו לגמרי. Then he's married for sure, just like an adult. ואין ביאת אחיו כלום, and his brother is a nothing. So the second brother cannot do anything to the first brother according to this. ואם אינה קונה, And if the first one doesn't buy, doesn't have the power to buy, the second, nobody buys. So nobody needs to divorce. ואם אינו קונה, and if nobody buys, אף השני לא קנה. Then the second one also doesn't buy. ונמצאה שלא אסרה על הראשון. And he didn't prohibit it on the first one. This is Rabbi Shimon's idea.
Very nice.
מדורו. אבל איך הוא צעק?